Papa and I are going to Fogarty Beach, so we got our picnic. It's supposed to be really warm today, so we're gonna trust. But like the guy said, don't be surprised if it gets foggy. So we'll look for fog.
I got my board ready.
So this is where we're starting our day. Changed our minds. We're not doing Fogarty after all. Ooh, I forgot how steep this is. This is not good. Wow. We're gonna watch the surfers today. It is so fun. This is where we have the music. Okay. Looks good. We're home. Papa picked it. So this is where we're at today. It's probably exactly where we were when Claire and Henry built their amazing canal. We're gonna watch surfers today. Go to the car. He wants to get some extra waters. There's also a restroom up there that's public. That's why you see so many people here. It's just really convenient. On the other side of this rock is the Devil's Punch Bowl. That's a pretty amazing place. There's this young girl and her brother. They've been playing out there in the water. First they did football. Now he's surfing and she was playing on that little skid thing. It's called I can't remember the name of it. Papa has a couple of them. Skimboards, that's it, skimboard. Anyway, now you can see how far Papa is. Way over there in yellow. I just wanted to record it so I know kind of when he left, because it's going to take him a while. It's 121 steps up to the top of that ridge. Way up there is the parking lot, and it's quite a little climb. You can see people. Here, you want to see how far away the people are? Alright, so there's the people, the tourists. Okay, now watch. That's how far. This is such a good book. If you are into the migration west during the 1800s, this is the best. It's so good. And they have natural white noise to go with it. But these guys, all the surfing, that's so distracting. So cool. our first super hot day. I mean, it is hot. 70 degrees, no breeze. Oh, wow. It's cold right here. It's cold. It's amazing. Look at all the people. That way, this way. We're doing all the surfers. But anyway, it got really hot. I decided to come over here and get in the water. Oh. I don't even think I had the film going, but I'm in the water. It's ice cold, like ice. Oh, very nice. I think that should suffice, maybe. We'll see. We're taking the bikes on a, what would you call this? What are we doing again? What's it called? A low tide ride. Okay, here we go.